Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Ahad Healthcare. Today in this video I wanna share with you how to long hair grow with potato juice. Benefits of potato for hair. Potato juice for hair growth. Potatoes are a great natural ingredient to help achieve healthy hair. Potato are vitamin C, niacin, iron and zinc. Massaging the scalp with potato juice helps in nourishing the hair follicles to improve hair growth. Potatoes used along with other ingredients can benefit your hair. Some of the ways in which potato can be beneficial for hair are the following. Take 1 potato, grate it, squeeze the water, keep it in a bowl, add 1 egg, curd, mix them well, make a fine pack, apply that on root of the hair. And whole hair, leave it for 20 minutes. Wash off with warm water, wash with normal shampoo. Do it once in 20 days for best result. This pack gives healthy and sparkling hair, hence adding potato juice to your hair care routine can arrest hair loss and promote hair growth. Add 4 medium-sized potatoes to a food processor and extract the juice. Do not peel the potato as the potato's skin is packed with vitamins and minerals. Gently massage your scalp with the potato juice for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on your scalp at least for 20 minutes and rinse off with lukewarm water. Are you suffering from hair loss problem? I have a homemade beauty recipe for solving your problem. Take 3 tablespoons of potato juice, 3 tablespoons of aloe vera juice and 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply that mixture root of the hair, leave it for 2 hours. Wash off with your regular shampoo. For best result, do it twice in a week. Potato juice and yogurt hair mask. Grate a large potato and squeeze the juice. Add a tablespoon of unflavored yogurt to the juice and mix well to form a thick paste. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair and rinse off after 20 minutes. Dandruff is one of the leading causes of excess hair fall and poor hair growth. Adding a teaspoon of lemon juice to your basic potato juice hair mask helps in treating dandruff and promotes hair growth. It also helps in restoring the natural pH of the scalp. Blend a raw potato and extract juice from it. Mix 1 egg and few drops of lemon to it. Apply this mix to your hair and leave it for 30 minutes. Wash it off with mild shampoo. Repeat this process once every 2 weeks for best result. Potato peels can be very useful in the treatment of gray hair. Remove the peels from a potato. Boil these peels in water for 20 minutes. Strain this liquid and rinse your hair with it. Repeat this process once every week for best result. It will deepen the color of your hair. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe now.